Olympia Water Systems. Olympia Water Systems Review. Best reverse osmosis water filtration system for well water. Every part built into the Olympia water system is 100% NSF certified and rigorously tested to filter continuously and provide your home with safe and healthy well water at the source of each inflow. Olympia includes a beautiful chrome finish faucet, perfect for the kitchen or bath. From the 5-micron sediment filter at stage 1 to the 5-micron carbon block filters at stage 2 and 3, well water contaminants and sediment don't stand a chance as they pass through the RO membrane at stage 4 and the post-carbon filter at stage 5. Clearly, Olympia builds to the best reverse osmosis water filtration system for well water. No more guessing with Olympia's quick connect filters and color-coordinated tubing, and this unit is virtually foolproof. Built quality standard, the Olympia includes an auto-shutoff valve and a flow restrictor to prevent flooding, leaks, and the dreaded water pressure trickle when too many sources are running simultaneously. The filtration portion of the system measures 16 by 7 by 20 inches, and the tank measures 12 by 12 by 18 inches. Warranty: 1-year manufacturer limited warranty. Pros: color-coordinated quick connect filters, 5 unique micron sediment filters, easy step-by-step installation. Cons: extra cost for professional installation. System may arrive with broken parts. Report continuous leak issues.